Yeah, hello, music customers. We are working in Kumasi, Ahunjo Dabain, designing this building with a natural stone cladding. You see, these are the natural stones. You see, uh you see, this one you have to put them on top, hard one. You see, before you get them on a smaller way, before the installation. As you can see, you see, this be one of the best way to prevent your building from dampness. You see, cause before this customer have been facing a dampness problem whereby he plaster and the plaster because 90. So Steven, come and lay the natural stone for me so that once it's done, it is forever. I'm not going to spend any money in the future. You see, so nice and beautiful. This is a natural stone cladding that from Accra. So whatever it is, give us a call. We work across the country, as you can see. You see, so nice and neat. God's way. Where's God's way? God's way. You see, so whatever it is, give us a call. We are on the installation process. You see, yeah. Baba, I don't go to that chair. Me quiver. Give your beer to San Fresh Stepping Stone Design. Oh, wait, my papa fair. Ouais.